Reselling digital products is a great way to make money online. With the right approach, you can generate a steady stream of income and potentially earn tons of money. The first step in reselling digital products is to identify a niche market. You need to identify the products that are in demand and have value to your target audience. Once you've identified your niche, you can start researching the products available and the pricing of competing products. Next, you'll need to create a website or online store where you can list the digital products you plan to resell. You can use popular platforms such as WordPress or Shopify to create an attractive and easy-to-use store. Once you have your store set up, you can start marketing your products and services. Finally, you need to figure out how to get people to buy from your store. You can use a variety of strategies such as email marketing, social media marketing, and even running digital advertising campaigns. By implementing these strategies, you can generate more sales and earn tons of money. Overall, reselling digital products is a great way to make money online. With the right approach, you can generate a steady stream of income and potentially earn tons of money. If you're willing to put in the work and dedication, you can become a successful digital product reseller.